All right, today I have a Kohler toilet, and I'm going to show you how to stop the Kohler toilet from running, the water running all the time. It just doesn't stop, and I'm going to show you a way how you can alleviate that problem with a Kohler toilet. So let's get started. So your toilet is running. What you want to do is access the tank. So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here, you're going to lift up, and you're going to go ahead and remove the tank and place it in a place to where it will not fall and get broken. So once you've done that, you're going to come to the tank right here. And you see the tank right here, there's how you flush the toilet and some mechanisms inside, right? So you have all these mechanisms inside, right? You have all these mechanisms inside. But what happens is occasionally there may become a kink in the chain, or something may be rusted or not moving properly. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that everything is moving properly. So just go ahead and lift this handle, shake it a little bit, make sure things are moving around like that. Make sure everything's moving around just like that, moving up and down properly. Make sure there's nothing in there that can obstruct this plunging thing right here from sealing with the bottom right here. Now, if the rubber gasket, you see that right down there, there's a rubber gasket around here. So if that has all corroded, and it's pretty much broken apart as it looks like it's doing a little bit down there, that will need to be replaced. You'll probably have to call a plumber or go take a trip down to Home Depot. All right, but if not, if the seal is still there, make sure it goes down properly. Make sure the tubing is coming in here, and make sure that that is even right there. And so once you make sure everything's moving properly, let it set down, and you'll see that the tank starts to fill up with water. You'll see I'm going to let it fill all the way up to show you what I'm talking about. Make sure nothing is obstructing this right here. You'll see this right here. This is a floaty device that turns off when the appropriate amount of water is inside of the tank. As you can see, it's going up right now, and I am predicting that it will stop filling with water at some point. All right, so it's filling up. It's filling up, and it stopped. The water had stopped because it reached to the point to where it had the valve turn off on this particular tank. So after you've done that, you're going to go ahead and take this, gently place it back on top, make sure it's on place, and that's how you fix a Kohler toilet that won't stop filling or running. All right, hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Can you give me a like? I'll appreciate it.